Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PostgreSQL to run local data experiments, full guide step by step clearly. To download PostgreSQL and set it up for local data experiments, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official PostgreSQL website at postgresql.org. On the home page, locate the Download tab in the main menu. Hover over the Download tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the appropriate platform for your operating system, such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. For Windows users, click on the Windows option to be redirected to the download page. Here, you will find installers recommended for your system. Choose the latest version available by clicking on the link provided. This will take you to a third-party Windows installer website. Once there, locate the download link for the installer and click to start the download. For macOS users, click on the macOS option. You will be directed to the latest release section. Download the installer package by clicking on the link provided. For Linux users, click on the Linux option. Follow the instructions for your specific distribution to add the PostgreSQL repository. Once added, use the Package Manager terminal commands to download PostgreSQL. After the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer. Windows users should double-click the installer to run it. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation process. Accept the license agreement when prompted. Next, choose the installation directory or leave it as default. Select the components you wish to install, ensuring the database server is included. Proceed to set a password for the default PostgreSQL user, usually Postgres. Take note of this password, as you will need it later. Continue with the installation, accepting any additional prompts. Once the installation completes, you may be asked to launch Stack Builder. Choose whether to launch it now or skip this step. For macOS, double-click the downloaded package and follow similar installation prompts. For Linux, once the installation commands have executed, verify the installation by checking the PostgreSQL version in the terminal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.